guys, what is up? DC is right back again. So this time it is an 81 Camaro. It is an information video, guys. So yup, as I said, I'll make the information videos with the Hot Wheel trackset video, which yup, it's cool, it's awesome. So yup, here I got the awesome brand new Hot Wheel. That's the 81 Camaro. So why don't we go for the unboxing first? You know the drill. First the unboxing and then for the information. So let's begin with this thing. Wow, guys, look at this car. It's the orange machine. Wow. Like the stripes bring out the major looks of the car, and the wheel rims painted with a yellow kind of stripe type. And of course, guys, talking about the interior, the yellow lush interior. Wow. Has the roll bars at the back. It seriously brings out the detailing in the car, except for its front headlights and even the tail lamps. There's nothing much. Well, at least the car is kind of attractive than the other ones which are not detailed. So yeah, guys, why don't we go for the information about the 81 Camaro? So yep, let's go for it. Guys, so coming up to the information about the 81 Camaro. So yep, why don't we start off with the production? The production actually began in 1970 to 1981. Of course, the name tells it, 81 Camaro. So coming up to the body style, guys, the body style is a two-door coupe. It's a rear wheel drive, of course, a Camaro. Talking about the engine, guys, the engine is actually a 6.6 liter V8. Quite powerful. And talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission you get in a 4-speed manual. Talking about the horsepower is 165 horsepower, which is quite less. Well, talking about the length of this car, guys, it's 5,019 in millimeters. Yup. And seeing the width of this car is 1,892 in millimeters, guys. Well, coming up to the curb weight of this car is 1,585 kilograms, which is quite heavy. Well, coming up to the top speed, all the car enthusiasts over here, it's 108 miles per hour. That is 173 kilometers per hour, quite slow. And talking about the acceleration time, 0 to 60, it does it in 8.8 seconds, which is damn slow, but we can't help it. So coming up to the mileage, guys, it gives us 17 miles per gallon, which is, yeah, reasonably fine. Well, talking about the price, major people price over here. If you want a Camaro, if you want the second gen Camaro in a good shape, non-rust type Camaro, you gotta pay up to $15,444 for a good shaped Camaro. So yep, guys, as I've ended up the information, it's time for the special facts. So here it is. Well, let's see. So here it tells the second gen Camaro is longer, wider, and lower than the first gen. Yes, guys, the first gen Camaro totally looks different. And can you believe it? This is the second gen. It's younger brother. Wow, and it looks so much different. Whoa. Well, guys, so yup, I have ended up all the information I had to tell, guys. So you know what to do. Just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family, guys. I'll see you all next week with the Hot Wheels track set company car races again. So I'll see you all then. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye now.